Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So today's the day I'm going to announce the winner of the last fit floor mats for the 10th Gen Accord. So I appreciate all your guys' support, I really do. I'll be doing more of these in the future, so definitely stay tuned. But for this one, let's get right into it, okay guys? And I appreciate all your guys' support in doing this. So guys, this is for the last fit floor mats for the 2018 to 2022 Honda Accord. I got a little over 50 comments of people that wanted to enter for this drawing, so it's great. And like I said, to make it fair, I just used a random generator that will just select one of the comments that you guys left to choose a winner, okay? So it's not too difficult. Whoever wins, just contact me and we'll get it all set up so you can get your free set of floor mats, okay? And like I said before, they're great floor mats. I've used them, great quality. They fit perfectly. I like them a lot, and they'll protect your vehicle as well. So here's the random generator I used. You just copy and paste a link to the video, okay? And then it'll search. Now I'm not allowing duplicate comments to keep it fair. So it's only if you commented twice, it's going to take those out. Okay, so anything goes. And we'll let that run. It'll tell you how many comments it's going to choose from. So 54 comments. Okay? And then all we do is push the button, pick a winner, and it's randomly going to select one comment. Like I said, I'm excited to be able to do this, and I'll be doing more in the future too. So let's get this started. So Kev Do, congratulations. You are the winner for the 2018 to 2022 Honda Accord last fit floor mats. If you don't know how to contact me, here's my contact information. I'll also put it in the description below. Just simply reach out to me so we can get this all set up and get those floor mats sent out to you. So again, I appreciate all you guys, all your support over the years. It's been great. And like I said, I'll be doing more of these coming up. I have a great item too that I should be able to do in about a month. So definitely stay tuned. It's for you guys with the 10th Gen Accord. I think you'll really enjoy it. I do. So again, if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. It does mean a lot to me and does help me. So I appreciate it. I really do. I hope everyone has a great day. Thanks again, everybody.